is proudly brought to you by Botswana Post. Rise and shine.
A bright morning to you. Ke rata thata tota re tsoga go le marunyana, especially mo mogoteng wa 2024. Good morning Botswana, a wonderful view of the Central Business District, CBD. Right here in Gaborone. Ke go amogele ko ile go re bogela teng. Are you joining us on Facebook? Are you watching from our YouTube channel? Kana gongwe mo lapeng o ipakanyetsa gone go ya tirong. Re a go amogela ebile re itumela gore o bo tlhophile go tsoga le rona mo DUMELA Botswana breakfast show. Today's temperatures will reach lows of 20 degrees and highs of 29 degrees. Le hatse ka bophara a go Francistown Mau kana gone mo Gaborone ra go amogela DUMELA, rise and shine. Jaka ile tlwaele sego thulaganyo ya rona tla tswella go simula ka yone nako ya 6 am ra go hetsa ka 8 am. Me ha ke re ke ra ene wa mmata ga nke ke nna nosi mo studio. I am with my brother, the handsome, the talented, and the absolutely digala se di kae ben.
Are you? Why are you doing this to me?
We see lady gala so wa khona go mpona go.
Ke motho papara motho, but because I know your voice, I know who I'm talking to.
Wa khona go bona go ngene.
Yes. That was every time you tell me that I'm handsome, it's like you're singing for the first time. I get goosebumps all over again.
I think you have to compliment people mo botshelong. Ke feel gore ga se culture ra rona ka Setswana. Re rata gore ha re complimenta motho e be re tsenya le go morumula kana.
Every time I get complimented, I always say I'm me. I never say thank you. I never.
O ka dumela yang ka gore ha nke re go bolella.
Ha go khabile bena I'm me kana me ke bare se ke sa machaela.
Nyaya o tshwantse gore o re thank you. I really appreciate. Go re tla gore this is normal. You can get words of encouragement. Le mahoko a mantle go buiwa ka wena.
Thank you very much, LB. My favorite Heifa just said it, Jorge. I'm the most handsome guy in the world. Thank you very much. I'll take it and run with it for the whole day. It's also in the studio this morning. Thank you very much for making this your favorite breakfast show in the land. This Tuesday, we all have everything figured out for you.
Exactly. We're going to have two very important conversations. Re tlela ka tsone ka botswapelo a tla gore bolela gore gone me mo metshamekong le ka solohela mo bekeng kana go iragetseng ha re ka mahelo a beke a ntseng re tswa mo go one. I'm very, very excited because registration for elections is still ongoing. They have opened for supplementary registration.
Right.
Then ako ba hemolaetsa hela Batswana le hatseka bophara gore
I will do exactly that.
The polling station re go ikwadisa. The last time we checked, we had gotten around 700,000 registrations, which is short around 500,000 to the target that IEC has set for themselves.
Yes, with the target of 1.3 million. You know, the conversation has always been because the enthusiasm that I have. Like, what excuse is that? But anyway, because by copulates here, is it the 1st or the 21st of March? I'm not too sure,
I believe it's the 21st of March.
Yes. You have a chance for you make sure that your voice is heard through voter registration. That is the only way you can be heard. So choose your own government. Do it for yourself.
2023, 2024. Botsala ke karata e blue house sena yona ha re jilo ena ha re ne ha tselo ya ke tsa hela gore molaetsa o tle nna ya mme re tla bua le ba Botswana Post jaaka o itse the DUMELA Botswana breakfast show is brought to you by Botswana Post, and every single week we sit down with them. They have an exciting event. The Southern African Postal Operators Association forum is coming to Botswana, and mahatse ale 14 ba tla ba kopanela gone ha ile gone gore ba tso go bua ka dio tsa gore go iragalang ka tsa poso mo regioning ya rona.
But well before that, on our first conversation here this this morning. Tebekena Hanule Me Itumele Lebogang, and she is the managing consultant Jalo and the director Kako Seedport Capital Bone. They are because Kingwakawadi Topo. All they're saying is they want to create a survey on how Botswana and more especially youth are interested in voting or just participating in the elections. So because it's voter registration and elections here, I think it's going to be a very exciting conversation.
Exactly. It's already informed decision.
Right.
And speaking of information, this one is great. Fitness is very, very good for you. We need you to get into shape. We need you to be healthy. 2050 something. Let's get fit with BOTSWANA.
Good morning. Welcome to Get Fit with BOTSWANA. My name is Vicky. I'm with my partner, Zaune. Are you okay, my man? Yeah. Our today's session, it's a quick call. So we focus on the pain. Okay, so we're gonna start with plank. Are you ready? Let's go, guys. 30 seconds. 4, 3, 2, go. Okay. You hold your core, engage your core, right there. Stay there, guys. Stay there, stay there, stay there, stay there. Engage your core. Stay there. Stay there, stay there, stay there, guys. Stay there. 4, 3, 2, relax. Okay.